To locate large intestine 20, locate the midpoint of your left ali nasi. The ali nasi is the flare at the end of your nose. That is, this area right over here, and the midpoint would be right here. Now move to the left until you come to the nasolabial groove. The nasolabial groove is the fold that runs from the side of your nose down to your mouth. Push in this spot until you find an area that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the welcome fragrance point. Activate this point by rubbing it 5 times rapidly. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find the welcome fragrance point on the right side and repeat.